In this video, we're going to learn how to connect to the Tor network and automatically change your IP address every 2 seconds on Kali Linux. So let's get started. I'm in Kali Linux right now. First, I'll open my terminal and install the Tor package using the command sudo apt install Tor. After that, I'll type the password for my user and press enter. When prompted, I'll press Y and then enter again. Once Tor is installed, I'll start the Tor service with the command sudo systemctl start Tor and press enter. To check if the Tor service is running, I can use the command sudo systemctl status Tor. If it's active and running, we're good to go. Next, we need to install Tornet using pip. Now, pip comes pre-installed on Kali Linux, but if you don't have pip, you can install it with sudo apt install python 3 pip. Run sudo pip install Tornet. Once Tornet is installed, we can start using it. Before changing my IP address with Tornet, I need to configure my browser to connect through the Tor network. I'll open Firefox, click the 3 dots in the top right, and go to Settings. In the Settings tab, I'll scroll to the bottom, click Network Settings. Under Connection Settings, I'll choose Manual Proxy Configuration. Make sure SOCKS 5 is selected, and then type backticks 127.00.1 backticks for the SOCKS host and 9050 for the port. Scrolling down, I'll check the box that says Proxy DNS when using SOCKS 5 to prevent DNS leaks, and then click OK. Now that my browser's set up, I can return to the terminal. I'll use the command sudo tornet, interval seconds to set how often my IP address will change. For example, if I wanted to change every minute, I would type 50 or 60 or 40, whichever I want. In this case, I want my IP to change every 2 seconds, so I'll type 2. I'll also set the count to 0, meaning the IP will change infinitely. After pressing enter, the application will start, and my IP will change every 2 seconds. To verify, I can open my browser again and go to check.torproject.org. If everything is working, it will confirm that I'm connected to the Tor network. I can also visit dnsleaktest.com to confirm that my IP address and DNS are hidden. For example, my IP address might show as being from Switzerland, but after refreshing the page, it could change to the other country. That's the end of the tutorial. If you found this helpful and want more content on anonymity, Kali Linux, or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.